Crispy homemade vegan chicken patty with vegan creamy oven baked mac and cheese. I would be holding out if I didn't tell y'all this meal was so bomb. And I don't know why I'm still hearing some people say vegan food is nasty. Like, whose food are y'all eating? Because if y'all still out here having bad experiences with vegan food, baby, they just can't cook. I said what I said. But let me tell y'all about my homemade vegan chicken patty. Y'all, I never get tired of eating these. I batch make these and they just be in the freezer ready to go. It's so many ways that you can make a meal out of these and they are super affordable to make. I don't know what y'all be waiting on. I be trying to put y'all on game. Now, if your mac and cheese sauce don't look like this, you not doing it right. This gonna make sure that it's super creamy and just delicious. Look at it. Just look at it. Right here. Look at it. Bomb. But it's a new year, love, and if you've been inconsistent with your vegan journey, this is your sign to get on your Zoom and take it seriously. Because you can't say you inconsistent because the food is nasty. You can't say because the food is expensive. I'm giving you both in my cookbook. I'm giving you good recipes that you're gonna love, and I'm giving you affordable, convenient ways to make this food. Click the link in the bio for the cookbook.